Mistplay store offers rely on tracking redirects. And if that redirect breaks, your reward, cashback, or install bonus usually breaks with it. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix store redirects that won't open, loop, or send you to the wrong page. Here's the direct answer. If Mistplay store redirects are not working, the first thing to check is your default browser. Mistplay usually opens offer links through your default browser or the Google Play Store. If your default app is misconfigured, the redirect can fail. Go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and confirm Chrome or your preferred browser is set properly. Then try the offer again. Next, clear your browser cache. Open Chrome, tap Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data. Cached redirects can get stuck, especially if an offer link changed. This forces a fresh connection. Now check if you have pop-up blockers or ad blockers running. Apps like AdGuard, Brave Shields, or private DNS filters can block affiliate redirects before they finish. Turn those off temporarily. Mistplay needs that full redirect chain to register the click. VPNs cause this too. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it. Many store offers are region locked. If your IP says a different country than your Mistplay account, the store can reject the redirect or land on an invalid page. That's a common reason. Now, check your Play Store. Open Google Play Store and update it. If the Play Store is outdated, some app offer redirects can fail when Mistplay tries to send you there. Do the same for Google Play services. Both handle app install handoffs. If the redirect opens but sends you to the wrong product, the offer may have expired. Mistplay rotates store offers often. If a campaign ended, old links can stay cached for a while. Refresh the offer page or close and reopen Mistplay. If the redirect does nothing at all, clear Mistplay's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If that fails, clear data and sign back in. That rebuilds the offer feed and refreshes all tracking links. One thing people miss: don't manually search the app or product yourself after tapping the offer. Always use Mistplay's redirect from start to finish, or the reward won't track. Quick recap. Check your default browser, clear browser cache, disable ad blockers and VPNs, update Play Store and Play services, and clear Mistplay cache if redirects fail. Your next step is simple. Test one live store offer after each fix so you know exactly what solved it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.